Welcome back to Language Nerds India. Today, we're learning about a very useful topic in English grammar, modal verbs. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to confidently use modal verbs in conversations. Modal verbs are helping verbs that show ability, permission, possibility, advice, obligation, requests, and future intentions. The common modal verbs are can, could, may, might, must, should, will, would, shall. The good news? They never change. We use can to talk about ability and for informal permission. Could is the past form of can, used for past ability and polite requests. Use may for formal permission and to indicate possibility. Might indicates a small possibility, suggesting uncertainty about an event. Must indicates a strong obligation and is used when something is necessary. Should is one of the most useful modal verbs, often used to give advice.